Hi, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. I'm going to show you the G13 chord today. Now this is a dominant type chord, and I'm going to show you what I consider one of the most common fingerings. So here's what it looks like. I've got my first finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. My second finger is over on the 4th string, 3rd fret. The third finger is on the 4th fret, 3rd string. And then my pinky's on the 2nd string, 5th fret. That was a little rough. There we go. Now you might be asking, what about the 5th and the 1st string? Well, I'm actually muting those strings. My first finger is slightly angled, so if I do strike the 5th string, it doesn't sound, it's muted. And the same with the 1st string. It's my pinky that's slightly angled and touching the 1st string. So if I strum the chord, you don't hear those 2 strings. If I use my fingers, I'm just going to pick the 6th string and then the 4, 3, and 2. Now, like most chords, the best way to learn this is to first of all finger it many times and then practice it in some type of progression so you get used to moving from one chord to the other. It's a common movement to go from the G13 to this chord, the pinky down 1 fret. That's a G7 sharp 5. I put together another video that actually shows you a progression that you can use to practice this. And I'll put a link to that right here.